Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Gafilie Cordless Pool Vacuum, Rechargeable Pool Cleaner with upgraded powerful suction, perfect for above-ground pools, spas, hot tubs and small in-ground swimming pools for cleaning debris. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high power motor. Gafilie Handheld Pool Vacuum Cleaner uses high power motor, which can provide 50 liters of water flow per minute, and can pick up almost all the debris that appears in the pool. Flexible brush head. The vacuum head can turn left and right. You can stand on the bank of the pool and easily suck up the debris in the corner of the pool. Telescopic pole. Gafilie is thoughtfully equipped with an aluminum telescopic pole, 36 to 69 inch, which can basically meet all daily uses. The universal pole adapter can fit any standard pole. You can use your own more longer pole as you need. Rechargeable battery. The handheld vacuum is powered by a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery. Increase power while reducing power consumption through innovative battery technology. The runtime can reach 60 minutes after fully charged. Filter chamber. Gafilie uses a PP hard shell filter chamber. The PP hard shell filter chamber is much more convenient to clean than the filter bags used by other brand products. It has a large capacity of 1.3 liters, you can clean up your pools at one time. Water sensor. The water outlet and water suction port of the pool vacuum must be submerged into the water at the same time to generate suction, otherwise the fan blades in the motor will be empty, causing the motor to overheat or even burn out. In order to prevent this, the Gafilie Pool Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a water level sensor. If the vacuum cleaner is idling on the water surface for more than 60 seconds, it will automatically turn off the power. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.